on Your Side at 5 starts now.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Don Nelson. First up tonight, the city of Boise's crime rates are at a 25-year low. Boise Police say it's in part due to proactive work, community outreach, and partnerships with neighborhoods and schools. Recently, even more emphasis has been put on mental health. Anna Silver is live in studio to share how a new pilot program serves the growing need.
Right, Don. So one thing that they have noticed is the amount of calls for mental health have increased, and they're responding to many people with these types of crises. Just last year, Boise Police started a pilot project to focus their efforts on mental health. They say it's been successful and has even reduced the number of calls for service. The Boise Police Department says welfare checks are their highest call for service. In 2019, Boise Police paired a mental health coordinator and a sworn-in behavioral health officer for these types of calls. Deputy Chief Ron Weiniger says the pair works to help people get connected to mental health services they need and create follow-up plans to reduce repeated calls. According to the Boise Police Department, the behavioral health response team responds to about 10 calls per day for service. That's in addition to follow-ups.
They've kind of fallen off the radar and there's not really anybody to help them, and so they tend to spiral out of control and their life has just become a mess, and it's in disarray. And so obviously those folks are not our typical people that we want to go out and catch committing crimes. That's not our purpose with folks that are suffering from those issues.
Weiniger says it's a step in the right direction, but we still have a long way to go.
I don't think there's anybody in our community who doesn't either have somebody in their family that suffers from mental illness or knows somebody that's a close friend that suffers from it. And we have to reduce the stigma of treatment for mental illness. We have to look at it just like if I break my leg, I'm not hesitant to go to the doctor and go to the professional who can help and get that taken care of and get the assistance I need. We have to get the same mindset towards mental illness in our community.
Now, Weiniger says they hope to add another team in the future. To see the full report, we'll have a link for you on our website, 6onyourside.com.